Autel Robotics EVO Nano Plus Premium Bundle 249 grams mini drone with 4K camera, 3-way obstacle avoidance quadcopter UAV, 50 MP photo, 10 kilometers HD video transmission, PDAF plus CDAF focus, Nano Plus orange color. Hi, welcome my friend. Feature 249 gram takeoff weight and folded size of 142 by 94 by 55 millimeters. EVO Nano Plus Mini Drone is the perfect companion for photography enthusiasts, able to support 50 megapixel photo shooting and 4K HD video recording. The innovative RYYB night vision sensor can capture cinematic level photography with sharp details. The light input volume increased by over 40% comparing to traditional RGB array in the same light conditions. 10 km HD video image transmission, 28 minutes flight time endurance, 13 milliseconds sport, 10 milliseconds standards, 5 milliseconds smooth, 3-way smart obstacle avoidance, RYYB night photography, PDAF plus CDAF dual autofocus, 1x1.28 CMOS and 1.9 f large aperture, 4 modes, 1-click vlog, 20 milliseconds super download speed, 800 meters maximum flying altitude. EVO Nano Plus Premium Bundle includes 1 EVO Nano aircraft including gimbal cover, 5 total pairs propellers, 3 total flight battery, 1 propeller holder, 1 64G SD card, 1 battery charging hub, 1 battery charger, 1 remote controller, 1 RC charging cable, 1 RC cable, Lightning, micro USB and USB-C, 8 spare screws, 1 screwdriver and 1 shoulder bag. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification button. Thank you.